Now we have this question, we are expected to evaluate this. So foremost you take 4 to be the LCM, and that would give you 4 times 16, that's 64, added with 1 raised to the power of 600 divided by, again you take the LCM, so that's going to be 16 multiplied by 4 is 64 added with 1 raised to the power of 599. Already there is a 4 raised to the power of 598. Now this is equal to 65 divided by 4 raised to the power of 600 divided by 65 raised to the power, or I would say 65 over 16 raised to the power of 599, and you have a 4 raised to the power of 598. Now all of these things would literally confuse you. So what I wish to do is I would like to take let 599 be equal to x. That means 600 would be rewritten as x positive 1, and this in turn would mean 598 would be rewritten as x negative 1. Okay, so this is perfectly allowed. So if you were to utilize this is going to be 65 over 4 raised to the power of x positive 1. This is going to be 4 raised to the power of 598 is 4 raised to the power of x negative 1, and this is 65 over 16 raised to the power of 599 is x. Okay, this can be further rewritten as 65 raised to the power of x times 65. I am utilizing this formula, a raised to the power of m positive n is equal to a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of m. And similarly this is 4 raised to the power of x times 4. Fair enough. Now you can flip this. If you flip this, you get 16 raised to the power of x divided by 65 raised to the power of x. Now you already have 4 raised to the power of x minus 1. So write it as 4 raised to the power of x multiplied with 4 raised to the power of negative 1. Okay. Now 65 raised to the power of x, 65 raised to the power of x goes away. Now 4 raised to the power of x, and you have a 4 raised to the power of negative 1. Now just let me utilize the space here. 4 raised to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 4. So if you were to have 1 over 4, you can flip it, and that would go to the numerator. So let me rewrite this as 65 times 16 raised to the power of x multiplied with 4 divided by 4 raised to the power of x, and you have a 4 raised to the power of x, and you have a 4. So these two gets cancelled. Now again we can utilize this formula, a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of n is rewritten as a raised to the power of n positive n, which is a raised to the power of 2n. So this is going to be 65 times 16 raised to the power of x, 4 raised to the power of x positive x is going to be 2x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize again this formula. Okay, a raised to the power of nn can be rewritten as a raised to the power of n, the whole raised to the power of m. So this is going to be rewritten as 65 times 16 raised to the power of x divided by 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. Now what is this? This is 4 squared, which is 16 raised to the power of x. And what is this? 16 raised to the power of x. So they get cancelled, and what do you get? 65 as the solution. So this is evaluated to 65. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.